So, periodicity. Why don't we just line up elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just keep on going in a straight string. I couldn't fit them all in a straight line, but if they just kept going 8, 9, 10, 11, why don't we just line them up in a straight line? Why do we have a periodic table which implies periodicity? Well, one reason is that groups sort of have similar properties. There's certain elements that sort of are like each other, so we try to group them together. An example of that would be lithium, sodium, and potassium. Another example of that would be helium, neon, and argon. Those three. Well, we could show them that way, or we could show them above each other in order of increasing mass, like that. That's one reason to line them up. Okay, we could do that. And then we've got some that are gases and some that are metals and some that are these weird metalloids. So what if we try to line them up as best we can? Well, here's what these have in common. They also make a positive 1 ion. Well, so does hydrogen. Here's what these have in common. Well, they don't make ions at all. So let's leave those off on the side. We've got some other ones that are gases. Well, let's put them closer to the other gases. And if you notice, oh, okay, 8, 9, 10, let's just line those up. 17, 18. Okay, oh, 7 would fall here. 6, this is the atomic number, of course. And then if we shift this into position, okay, well, we've got these weird ones that don't seem to fit, like boron 5 and 4. Okay, well, let's bring that over. Okay, line that up, and then put this one here. Okay, 12 would have to go there. Well, those are all metals. That makes sense. And then 13, well, that's a metal. Well, that doesn't quite make sense because boron is a weirdo. Silicon, okay. Silicon and carbon, they're not exactly the same, but they both make tetrahedral molecules, actually. Phosphorus would have to go there. Sulfur and oxygen, they have some things in common. They make -2 ions. And then, oh, calcium would go there. So this is sort of like how periodicity begins on the periodic table. You wind up with these that are very similar. That one's not quite. Hydrogen is kind of in its own category. But these all make +1 ions. These are the alkaline metals. Okay, these are the alkaline earth metals, very similar. These react with cold water. These will react, pretty strongly with steam and with acids. And then this category, well, the periodicity isn't as strong here or here, but over here, really strong, the noble gases, non-reactive gases. And then we've got the halogens, or the halogens, very reactive gases. They line up with each other, okay? And so we get this repeating pattern. Every day of the week repeats every week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's not the same number, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's periodicity. It's a repeating pattern. It's not perfect, as you can see in some cases, but strong properties are all held by members of the same group, especially here and especially here in these groups. It's very obvious.